Hello beauties, welcome back to the channel. You'll be needing water in a spray bottle, shea butter, combs, oil. As you can see, my hair is in African thread. That's because I wanted my hair to be stretched before I start the mini twist. So first of all, I sprayed water, just 2 sprays on my hair after losing the thread, then part my hair. This is what I did. I first of all braided the roots of my hair to, make the twist strong or firm, if you understand what I'm trying to say. So after braiding my hair, I divided those 3 parts of hair into 2 so that I can begin the twisting. If you notice closely, okay, first of all, I applied my shea butter first and began the twisting. If you notice closely, my twist does not look like it have a shape. It looks shapeless. You can't even see the pattern of twisting on it. That's how you want your twist to look like. You want to, I don't know how I'm going to explain this, but just watch the video. When you're done doing that, your hair will come out this chunky and nice. So you want to continue or repeat the same process for your whole head until you're done. And again, if you notice, I don't apply the shea butter as I'm making the braids. I only apply the shea butter when I'm about to do the twist. The shea butter gives my hair slip, so I can easily slide my hands through my hair to give me that loose twist, if what I'm saying makes sense. You understand? So that's pretty much it. The products on my hair are not much, okay? Just shea butter mostly and water. Okay, so at some point I got tired of using the tail comb to part my hair. Since this was the middle of my head, I decided to use my finger to part my hair. But the front, I tried my best to use the tail comb so that the front will appear neat. So I'm just gonna allow you to enjoy the video, but before that, if this is your first time of viewing my video, hello, welcome. My name is Faith. You can call me Ojene, and this is Nema Hairs. So do not forget to hit the subscribe button if you are not subscribed yet. Then like this video if you find it helpful, and you can also share it to people that you think might need it. Oh yes, enjoy the video. So this mini twist took me roughly about 15 to 16 hours, you're all. This is what the back looks like, and this is what the front look like. I was so happy with the result because it was full, and this is how I've always wanted my mini twist to be. Like, if you've watched my previous video on how I made a mini twist, it was not this full and chunky. Okay, so this is the upgraded video. Let me know if you're gonna do mini twist this season. So if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.